So, I kind of have to talk really quietly because my mom's sleeping. And I was laying in my head, and I'm sort of, I'm trying to get drunk in the room. I've been drinking a little bit. Just a little bit. Anyway, oop, I fell back. Okay. Oh, wow. So, this is my bottom of my upper lip. Okay? It's really dope. What? It's just my baby. Sorry for that, man. Magical. But yeah. I'm sorry that I waited a long time. I'm sorry. I know I only have like 2 videos that are uploaded, and I don't have any more. There's the cops. It hurts. All the goosebumps hurt. Anyway, I feel like I'm really it's time for our feelings. Oopsies. You see them. Now I know why you have so many feelings. It was just a makeup tutorial. You almost so funny bun. Okay, so this tastes really gross. And it tastes like liquid vomit, which is why I'm kind of holding my breath whenever I take it. And sometimes I'll like unstop my nose too quickly, and I'll get a taste of it, and it'll be like. Yeah, I feel prettier than ever. Not pretty. Shut your face before I shut it for you. Phone buzz. So, I just wanted to tell everybody out there that if anybody knows Buster personally, to tell him that I am the girl he's waiting for. Because in one of his Q&As, I recall him saying that he wants a short little redhead freak. So, yeah, that's me. I'm literally 5 foot. I just grew an inch. No, that was a foot. That was a foot. But long story short, no, I don't want Nathan. Nathan's not. Stop it. I don't give a fuck. Okay,
Lita.
but just pass. Ghetto bear. Long story short, why would they smell like vagina? They haven't been in my vagina.
Because I was just picking my vagina.
But you're on period. So. Anyways, long story short, somebody please connect me to Destro because he's my dream guy and I don't give a fuck if I'm 15. Like, for real. Like, can you back the fuck up, please? No. Pikachu is online. I want to meet this Pikachu. Apparently, according to his Skype, there's a Pikachu that's online. I want to see this fucking Pikachu. I want to talk to Pikachu. I'm gonna be like, Pika Pika! But, yeah, long story short, I am a nerd. And, please, somebody, test stream. I have my babies. Stop it. Stop sexual. Okay, sorry. I watch too much Jenna Marbles, Destry, and other YouTubers. But, I know a guy who looks exactly like Onision, but he like the short hair, but he spices it up. And I seriously think that they're the same person. What was his name? Greg? Wait, where's this kid from? Because the kid that I know works at Usually. Yeah. He's pretty cute, but he wears the same shoes every day, the same outfit. Every time I see him, he's always wearing the same thing. I'm like, really? Can you change your clothes? Really? Thanks. No, you're still wearing the same clothes. God damn it. No. Yeah. No. That didn't work. I thought I was gonna be happy. Yes? But I think like a jam.
Someone people are like, why did you become that sexual? I'm like, first of all, bitch,
I've always.
but when did you become straight? And it's like, and another thing, one day I decided I could not choose between a penis and boobs, so I picked both.
I'm so drunk.
You got one.
Lampicha. I love you, that street. To me, Mario, just getting my love sucks. Lampicha. Okay, sorry, we're done doing the stream impressions.
I like trains. Trains. Hello, turtle.
I have a really good I've been told that I have a really good Jenna Marbles impression. Okay. We upload new videos every Wednesday. Bye, Spider-Man. Okay. Stop, that wasn't me. Okay, well, bisexual.
Thank you.